Hi, I'm Ted Hershey, Product Manager for Clarke, and I just want to take a few minutes to introduce you to the all-new all-purpose cleaner from Clarke, the TFC 400. The TFC 400 is a perfect all-purpose cleaner for cleaning restrooms, locker rooms, bathrooms, kitchens, stairwells. You can replace your mop and bucket and your wet dry vac, and it makes a fantastic carpet extractor as well. All-purpose cleaners tend to fall into one of two categories: large, feature-rich machines that have high capacity and high pressure, but not good maneuverability, and smaller machines, which have the maneuverability but tend to lack the capacity and all the features that you want for cleaning. The Clarke TFC 400 perfectly falls in between these categories. It has a 20-gallon solution tank, true 400 psi spray pressure at the tip, yet it combines a small maneuverability and size of the smaller cleaners. Another benefit of the Clarke TFC 400 is it's one of the safest machines on the market. It's got full UL approval, passing UL 561 for cleaning equipment and the spray test portion for pressure washers of UL 1776. Okay, let's take a minute to go through the Clarke TFC 400 and some of its features. First of all, it has a removable maid's caddy. The maid's caddy allows you to bring extra things into the washroom like rags or squeegees, spray bottles, or gloves. Easily removes from the machine and can be brought into the restroom or the cleaning area and then returned back to the machine at any time. The Clarke TFC 400 has 25-foot solution hoses and recovery lines. 25 feet is long enough to get into most areas. However, it's still small enough to easily wrap back up and hang on the machine. The spray gun has both a low and a high pressure setting and the ability to fan the chemical or solution in and out. It also has a convenient storage spot right on the front of the machine. The recovery hose is 25 feet long and hooks up to the two-piece wand. One of the benefits of the Clarke TFC 400 is you get 25 feet of stretchy hose, which allows you to get to most any area in the facility, yet it folds conveniently back up onto the machine in seconds. The front control panel has all the controls that you'll need to run the TFC 400. Vacuum switch, pump on and off, dual chemical selection switches, and the quick disconnect for the solution. The TFC 400 comes with a wet sign holder on the side of the machine, which allows you to place a wet floor sign, or a convenient storage bag where you can carry paper goods into the cleaning environment. On the back of the machine, we have a convenience storage spot for the GFI protected power cord. On the back of the TFC 400, we can store the scrub brush. Notice that the TFC 400 scrub brush comes with a squeegee on the back of it. Notice that the location where the scrub brush is stored allows both larger items such as squeegees or microfiber mops, or smaller items such as the scrub brush to be stored. The squeegee storage unit is angled to make sure that any solution that falls off the scrub brush or squeegee does not fall into the hallway as you maneuver the machine down. The back of the TFC 400 has two storage pockets for two separate chemicals. Notice that these are universal storage pockets that'll take any size chemical bottle. The TFC 400 comes with 7 dilution tips, which allow you to meet any dilution need. The TFC 400 has a 20-gallon solution tank and includes a fill hose in case you happen to be in an area that doesn't have a hose for filling your machine. It also has a marine-grade lid on the recovery tank and a ball float valve to protect the vacuum motor. The Clarke TFC 400 has a drain hose which feeds all the way from the lower part of the recovery tank, allowing you to completely empty the contents of the machine. One of the unique features about the TFC 400 is all of the electrical mechanical components, the pump, the vac motor, all switches, are easy to access by lifting up the lid, and the entire component pallet can be removed from the machine. Another big benefit of the removable component pallet is it allows a customer to have a spare pallet sitting on the shelf. If anything should go wrong with the vac motor or the pump, they simply can replace the entire pallet and work on the vac motor pump at a later time, allowing the user to get back to work cleaning their facility.
Restroom cleaning.
It is a good idea to pick up debris and use the optional blower hose to blow out vents and other hard-to-reach dusty areas prior to cleaning the restroom. Make sure that the TFC 400 has clean, fresh water in the solution tank. Begin by turning on the pump and removing the spray gun. Set the chemical switch to dispense the desired cleaner. Make sure the nozzle of the spray gun is pulled out to the low pressure setting, as chemical will only be dispensed in the low pressure setting. Spray walls, partitions, and fixtures, working from the top to the bottom. Turn the chemical switch to the middle position and make sure that the spray gun is still in the low pressure setting. Spray the remaining solution from the line onto the floor. This will ensure that you use only clean water during rinsing. Use the scrub brush to scrub the floor, walls, and other difficult to reach areas. The squeegee side of the brush may be used to push excess solution towards the floor drain. Pull the nozzle on the spray gun back into the high pressure setting. Use the high pressure spray to clean the insides of fixtures and rinse walls, partitions, and floors. The high pressure spray may be used to remove soil from difficult to clean areas such as corners and around the bases of fixtures. The 400 psi spray is also excellent at cleaning stubborn grout lines. When finished rinsing, turn the pump off and detach the quick release on the solution line and return the spray gun and hose to the holder on the front of the TFC 400. Notice how quickly the gun and hose may be stored, saving your valuable time to clean rather than picking up. Use the hand squeegee to clean any mirrors, counters, or other surfaces that water may have collected on. Squeegee the water onto the floor. Remove the recovery wand from the TFC 400 and connect the two halves. Turn on the vacuum and vacuum up the remaining solution from the floor. For larger restrooms, lower the front mount squeegee, attach the recovery hose, and turn on the vacuum. Use the front mount squeegee to quickly recover the majority of the solution from the floor. When the floors are dry, disassemble the wand and place it back on the TFC 400. Once again, notice how quickly the TFC 400 tools may be stored. You may also want to use the optional blower hose to dry fixtures. Simply attach the hose to the port on the underside of the machine and dry faucet, handles, and toilet seats. This is a perfect way to complete the no-touch cleaning experience. Hallway and stairwell cleaning. The TFC 400 may be used in place of traditional mopping. By using the spray gun and microfiber mops, the hallway and stairwells may be quickly cleaned without reusing dirty mop water. Place extra microfiber mop heads into the maid's caddy. You may also choose to use the optional front mount squeegee to quickly clean large areas. Starting at the far end of the hallway, apply chemical to one side of the hallway. Do not apply too much as you will be cleaning with microfiber. Using the microfiber mop, spread the solution across the hallway, scrubbing and cleaning as you work your way down the hall. Replace microfiber mop heads as needed. If you have deeper restorative cleaning to do, use the high-pressure spray and recovery wand to remove stubborn dirt. You may also choose the front-mount squeegee to quickly clean large sections of hallways. To clean stairs, use the high-pressure spray to remove soil from tight corners. Work from the top to the bottom of the stairwell. Attach the recovery hose to the floor tool and use the wand to recover solution from the stairs, this time working from the bottom up. Using the TFC 400 rather than traditional mopping, you will improve cleaning, save time, and chemicals. Carpet extraction. The TFC 400 is a perfect full-function carpet extraction machine. You simply need to connect a carpet extraction wand and choose your favorite chemical pre-spray. Place the carpet pre-spray into the chemical tray and make sure that the proper dilution tip is placed into the straw. Remove the spray gun from the holder and attach the solution line. Pull the nozzle and the spray gun forward into the low pressure setting and set the front chemical switch to the corresponding pre-spray chemical. Turn the pump on and twist the spray gun to properly fan out the chemical spray. Using the TFC 400 rather than a traditional pump-up sprayer allows for better, faster, and more complete coverage of the carpeted surface. Detach the spray gun and set the chemical switch back to the center position. Place the spray gun away in the holder. It is best if you give the pre-spray a few minutes to dwell. Attach the solution line and recovery hose to the carpet wand. Turn the vacuum on and make sure that the pump is still on, and begin to extract the area that you applied the pre-spray to. Spray solution on the backstroke and recover on the forward stroke. It is best if you extract a 6x6 area at a time. Typically several passes will be made. Work your way backwards across the room until you've extracted the entire area that you applied pre-spray to. Turn the vacuum motor and the pump off. Notice how dirty the recovered solution is. Another tough cleaning solution solved by the TFC 400.